girl Tori, and I'm back with another video. Today we're going to be doing a quick get ready with me. So right now I'm supposed to be going to an event. It's not exactly like dressy. I mean, they do say dress to dance. So it's the Afro-Caribbean party. And I'm just moisturizing my face right now. I don't know why I put so much. If you see me looking down, I'm just looking in the mirror. But yeah, so it's not like a dressy event. It's freezing outside too. I'm about to wear some boots, some jeans, and a nice top. And I am so tired because, oh, and I'm using Ambi, the fade cream, to moisturize my skin. So I'm so late because this event started at 6:30. It is now, my phone's charging, 7:30, almost 7:30. So yeah, I'm about to start by doing my eyebrows. So let me do this. So let's see, what did I want to talk about today? I wanted to talk about school. I felt like I haven't updated y'all in a while as to what I have been doing. So for those who don't know, I am in college. I'm a senior in college and I have one more semester to go. And it cannot come fast enough. Like, I'm honestly to the point where I'm just tired of dealing with school and everything that comes with it, yo. Like, I'm gonna miss, of course I'm gonna miss certain things about school. Like, you know, this is such a huge part of my life, and I've met so many cool people along the way. I've made so many memories, you know. It's gonna be bittersweet. But at the same time, like, I'm so stressed out. I just want to take a break. So my major is kinesiology. So for those who don't know, it's exercise science basically. And what I want to do is go into PT. So physical therapy is like, you have to get your bachelor's and then you have to go back to school to get your doctorate in physical therapy. And that is another 3-year program. I mean, it's different from undergrad because, you know, at this stage people have their lives together. You're not living in dorms or worrying about roommates. Like, so I know it's gonna be a different vibe, but at the same time I still want to take a break from school. Initially I was gonna initially I would have already applied because I wanted to go straight to grad school, but then I thought about it and I was just like, why am I rushing? It's just 1 year. However, I am forcing myself to make sure that I take my GRE. So this is the graduate standardized test that you have to take to get into grad school, certain grad schools. And I'm forcing myself to take it, and I'm forcing myself to apply to the schools that I'm interested in by next summer, so that I can just get it out the way and I can't be like, oh, well, I enjoyed this year off and I don't want to go back to school, because I feel like after I take this year, I might not want to go. So if I do that, at least it locks me in to be like, hey, you're going. But yep, I am taking a year off, and like once I realized that, I just felt so much better. I was not as stressed out. I mean, I'm still stressed out because, you know, your girl gotta graduate, but I'm not as stressed as I would be if I had to where's my thing? I just had it. Oh, had to do it. Anyways, my brows take the longest, so I am gonna speed through this because yeah, it's gonna take up too much of my time if I keep talking. Okay, so I finished up my brows and now I'm about to do eyeshadow. So I am not a big eyeshadow person, to be honest. Like, I don't know one thing about eyeshadow. I don't even have any eyeshadow palettes. I have this palette that I've had for so much years, which I need to throw out. I don't even remember the name of it. But my go-to eyeshadow look when I do decide to do eyeshadow, actually let me put some concealer on my eyes and prime my face first of all. I'm using the Milani Prime Shield. It's really good. And it's like, oh, is it not? Okay. No, I need this kitten in my damn eye. Hell yeah. I've been using this primer and I like it so far. It makes the foundation glide on so nicely. But yeah, so what was I saying? Yeah, so like I said, I just felt so much better, like knowing that I can just, after college, you know, I'm gonna be taking a break. It's, of course, I'm not just gonna take a break to be like, oh, well, I'm just gonna take a break and not do nothing. Obviously, I'm gonna have to look for a job. And that's partly why I wanted to take a break, because grad school ain't cheap. And while you can get federal aid for it, in physical therapy, it's not a lot of scholarships, at least not like as an incoming student. So like you can get them while you're in there, but you know, it's not guaranteed. And even with federal aid and all that, I'm not trying to be owing the government a lot of money, so that's not happening. So I need to start saving, and I also need to think about what schools I can go to, because I can't just apply to schools in my state. It would be nice to get into a school in my state, but in the state that I'm in, or at least in my city, so that I could, you know, stay with my mom and save on rent and all that stuff. And I'm kind of looking forward to living back home. I know people be like, oh, all your independence is gonna be gone, but yo, I really like living with my mom. You know, my mom is so chill. Like, my parents are so chill, like, so I don't mind it. But yeah, I'll have to think about those options, because yeah, I do want to start applying for grad school, and I would like to get in on my first try, you know, because ain't nobody got time for that. Like, application fees are not cheap. You know, I don't want to go through that so many times. I need to get accepted into at least one, you know. But everything is so competitive these days. Like, I know a few people from my class that are going that want to go straight to physical therapy school. And some of them have been waitlisted. Mind you, these people are smart. You know, they do good. Their GREs aren't bad. It's so competitive. But yeah. So anyways, other than that, I have been working, and I have my internship, which is like a second job which I have to be at like 3 times a week because of how my schedule works. So that's been a challenge, like, and I have to do it all over again next semester because in total to graduate I need 270 hours of internship. So yeah, it's been a lot, but you know, I keep just telling myself, girl, you got 1 more semester. You are about to be out of here, because if I don't tell myself that, I would be so stressed out. So stressed out. Now I'm using this gold color. Don't know what it's called because, like I said, this is an old palette. And I don't do much with eyeshadow. I'm not the type to sit here and just blend because honestly, I don't know what I'm doing. I have no clue. So yeah, I've been just trying to like manage everything, in all honesty. Like, it's so stressful, and it's just like, it's so much stuff coming up. I'm on so yeah, like I said, I graduate next semester, and I'm just like so thankful because a lot of people, you know, they don't have all their classes, they didn't get a chance to take some, or they don't meet the prerequisites, and then they have to stay an extra semester, and you know, it's messed up, and it's a lot of money. So I'm glad I was able to just take everything in 4 years and be done with it, because I am not staying here any longer. I do not have money to be wasting on school. I don't even want to think about my student loans, child. Okay, I'm gonna do my liner, and so far I like it. I'm just trying to hurry up because I don't want to be too late for this thing, because they have food, and you know, your girl is broke. I mean, I'm not broke, but I like free food. It's Caribbean food, so I don't want to miss it because I know a lot of people will be there. Even though, I don't know, I'm so over school. In all honesty, like, just so over it. I'm trying to just get the willpower to go, because I'm just tired of everybody. Anyways, I'm using this pomade, and I'm using this brush to just draw on my liner. Normally I use a pencil, but I don't know what happened, and it dried out, so I have to use this pomade instead, which is nice because it's really dark. Then I'm gonna try to apply my lashes. Keyword try. Sometimes they go on right. Sometimes it's a big mess. So we'll see what happens tonight. Of course, it's when I'm in a rush and I have places to go that it decides that it's not gonna cooperate. So we'll see. Okay. Now that that's done, I'm gonna do my lashes, and then I'm going to add my foundation. So I'll be right back. Okay, y'all, so I put my lashes on, but it still needs to finish drying. It still looks weird. Now I'm gonna put my foundation on. I am using the Estee Lauder foundation, the double wear. in the shade Rich Cocoa. And I'm almost out, so I need to buy some more foundation. Well, I have another one, but I want to try the Fenty because I haven't yet to try. See, I'm knocking it because it's almost done. I'll take this off because gotta make sure that foundation gets into my hairline. I hate when girls do their makeup and then you can see the line of demarcation because they don't blend it up close to their hairline. So I'm always making sure I do that. Or if you're not gonna blend it all the way up there, at least contour it, you know. And blend it. And I try to blend it in my chin. My foundation is done. Wow. I'm trying to hurry up and do this makeup look because I got to go. I don't like being late, you know? Thank you. It's not like an event where everyone's gonna be staring at you though, but yeah. I don't really want to miss anything. And I did like a quick wash and go, so that's what I did with my hair because I don't know what else to do with it. But y'all, natural hair is hard, you know? It's hard. And I don't want to add heat to it because I do have some heat damage that I had to cut off. I have some which I'm just like, I don't want to cut my hair again. But, you know, I do have some that look a little straight and straggly that I need to remove. But yeah, I've been growing my hair since, well, not grow, I mean, I've been natural since what, last year? Or was it before that? Okay, so last May I did the big chop of my hair. And I was growing it a little out before that, so I stopped getting perms like the November before that, and then I kind of let my hair grow. It didn't grow as much as I wanted it to, or it probably did, but because it was so because of shrinkage, I couldn't really see it. But since that November, I've been leaving it, not getting perms, and I also was not getting it straightened. So I went like almost a year. Actually, no, I went a year without straightening my hair, more than a year actually. So I would only get, which I am gonna talk more about in my future natural hair video. I would do a natural hair journey, but you know, I did not film everything, child. I was not thinking about natural hair journey when I was watching other people's natural hair journeys, but I was not thinking about doing one myself. But I do have little videos here and there where I could do like a story time of it. Anyways, I was not, where I did not straighten my hair. So from that, like, I stopped getting the perms like in no October, November. And then I would probably like straighten it here and there like in October. Actually, no, I didn't. I did not straighten it at all. Because I was just like, no, I don't want to ruin it. And I would just blow dry my hair, and I wore wigs and stuff, or not exactly wigs, but I did sew-ins. And so I would do sew-ins and just leave my hair alone. Or I would blow dry it and then put it in ponytails, because you know I still have my natural part, my part that wasn't fully natural yet. But it was such a struggle, like washing my hair, such a struggle. It was so much to deal with because I was dealing with two different textures, and I was just like, yeah, I was gonna cut it. Like, I wasn't planning on doing a big chop because, girl, I do not cut my hair that much. So, and my hair was really long too. But I was just like, no, I can't take this any longer. I need to cut these permed ends off if I'm really gonna follow through with this thing. So in May, I decided to cut off the perm ends. And when I tell you, cutting it off was like the best feeling ever. Like, I just felt so free. I know I feel like everyone says that, but like, I really did feel good. I'm like, man, I finally got to see my curls. When your hair's shorter, you can't really see them though. So I was like, maybe I don't have any curls. I don't know. And then I was so big on, oh my God, what pattern do I have? Is it 4C, 4B? What pattern? To this day, I don't even know. I say 4C. Some people say it's 4B. Some people say it's 4. I don't know. So I know it's type 4, but I don't know. I don't know anything more than that. Anyways, once I chopped it off, I still didn't get, I still never straightened it, never did any of that. So I waited till the next May, which is this May, to straighten it. And I think I straightened it in June. Or was it July? It was late June I straightened it. And it was so nice. Like, it was so nice. And I was just in love with it. But girl, the humidity couldn't let me live my best life. Now I'm doing contour with the Black Radiance. Oh, and I used the Sasha Buttercup to bake earlier. So, what was I saying? Anyways, yeah, I did not straighten it until like this June. It was really nice. It was really long, and this whole time I didn't even. This whole time after the chop last year, I was not getting regular trims. Oh, my camera's about to die. I'm about to be done anyways. I did not get like regular trims. So it would be, so I was like, oh my God, is it gonna be a lot? I'm gonna lightly contour my nose. I don't really need to contour it really. But, and then I'm gonna add some highlight. I don't know what highlight powder this is. So yeah, I would just, it came out good, but because of the stupid humidity and I got a part of my hair wet, I straightened it. Mind you, I didn't put the right product, and once I wet my hair and stuff, certain parts wasn't reverting to their natural thing. And I was just so over it. And I couldn't really pay attention to it because right after I got it straightened, I ended up getting it braided. But yeah, that's what happened. This is my look. I'm gonna come back once I change my outfit though and everything. Okay. Okay, you guys. So I'm all done. Ugh, my earring fell. I'm all done. I'm about to just put my earrings in. put my jacket on and be out. Why is this not clicking? Oh, I do have on a shirt, y'all. Hold on. Something weird. Okay, so then I'll show you guys my outfit real quick. Okay, I'm all done. I put my stuff back if you notice anything's changed, but I'm about to leave. I should show you guys. I forgot where I got this top from, but it's a nice little over the breast thing, so it might look like I don't have anything on. I just have on some jeans. Oh, why did I do that? I just have on some jeans, and I decided to do some thigh-high boots to bring it in, and then I'm gonna put on a jeans jacket. That's the look, and yeah, we're gonna be out. Why is this acting weird? Anyways, I hope you guys like it.